How to use Wispr Flow on iPhone. So first, let's tap Get Started. You can select whatever you want here, next, and set up Flow. And now simply just log in with your Google account or Apple account. Now let's open Wispr Flow and let's set it up. So first, we need to head over to the settings. And if you don't know how to do this, simply go to the settings, type in Wispr Flow. There you go. Then go to keyboards, enable Wispr Flow, and then enable full access. Now go back to Wispr Flow, go to try flow, then head over to continue. And now in the bottom left, you're gonna click this globe icon, hold it, and select Wispr Flow. And now what you can do is simply tap the mic and say something like, I'm using Wispr Flow right now. And there you go. Hey Tim, have you heard of Wispr Flow? There you go. And now I can whisper a note. Hello, have you ever tried Wispr Flow? There you go. Now you can either do privacy mode or help improve flow. This is all your choice. If you're gonna be disclosing personal details by using your keyboard, I wouldn't recommend it, but it's all your choice at the end of the day. Now let's head over to the notes. Let's click this plus icon, okay. And now we can switch the keyboard to Wispr Flow. Hello, pick up the garbage, I don't know. There you go. That's how to use Wispr Flow on iPhone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.